We are back at it again here with another video at the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with GTR trying to find support above 45 cents and push up higher. And GTR stock was not the only stock experiencing volatility and trying to push up higher within the day. Also, Tesla was pushing up higher, and our Tesla bot at 10:15 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 100% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with GTR pushing downwards towards the end of the day. We need to talk about what's going on here with the inflow versus outflow and the bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned on Friday morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was MGRX. We caught this one early on in the pre-market, sitting sideways, got those inflows over the midpoint to the upside, as well as with a bull indicator and full strength on 42 vision into the bell and after the bell, and it reached a highest point of 100% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with GTR doing a full transition from red bars to bright green bars in yesterday's trading day, as you could see there within the volatility, after doing a full transition from bright green to red bars. Now, if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with GTR stock under a bull indicator on the 30-minute here since around the 49-cent area, and inflows crossing back over right after the bell here at the beginning half of the day, guys. After getting a bear indicator here, it's been canceled now by a bull indicator, and that's the first bear indicator that popped up since things popped up from way down here at around the 25-cent area to the highs up here of 67 cents, coming downwards, and right now it's been ranging here and finding support at a critical level like we talked about on Thursday to Friday. And here it is, finding support above 45 cents, pushing away from it like it did on Thursday and rejecting around the same area of resistance, guys. This is critical and crucial to keep in mind here, and I would not ignore this, that the 57-cent to 60-cent area is creating a huge critical resistance here for the bulls. And we're going to talk about key levels to watch that I would watch going into Monday here into the next trading day, as now it's under a bull indicator and the inflows are back above. Now, there's a slight amount of outflow starting here in the after hours and a slight pullback, but it still hasn't crossed the midpoint to the downside. If these inflows could stay above, it's going to be crucial and critical for this bull indicator to not get canceled, and if not, stay in effect, dominating over the chart, keeping this bear indicator canceled here from the pre-market, and continuing that strength back up to the upside to retest resistance levels within the charts, right? So the first thing is, when we look at this, if we go ahead and zoom out and look at it from the 1 hour, we could see here that inflows crossed over in the middle of the day. The bull indicator from way down here at 25 cents has not been canceled, and that staircase effect looks like it's forming here, right? But the bulls need to continue that strength to the upside, and these inflows are now back above after crossing in the pre-market and having a large amount of outflows from Thursday to Friday, dropping things from the 67-cent area to the 45 to 42-cent area. So this is crucial and critical to not ignore here. But in the bigger picture, the bull indicator is still in effect. The staircase effect is still looking there as we see it in the charts. And it's going to be crucial and critical to hold this support and continue that push up with these inflows back above, currently sitting at 0.10, right? So when we zoom into the volatility on the 15-minute, it's going to show us a different picture from the 30-minute and the 1 hour because it picks up more volatility. But the outflows have not crossed, guys. There is an amount of outflows here that's significant, but the inflows are still dominating even though it's red by being above the midpoint. But a bear indicator has popped up here at the 53-cent area. There was a bull indicator earlier in the day around the 47-cent area. Inflows picked up right there after the bell, and the big push up from 47 cents, 45-cent area all the way up to 58 was significant on Friday. And now there's a bear indicator here in the volatility, but again, outflows have not crossed. So that is something to watch very carefully if these inflows could stop above the midpoint, pick back up, and cancel out this bear indicator in the process. Now, what are the key levels I would watch going into Monday? Well, the first thing is support, guys. The first support here as it's pulling back is 48 cents. And if these outflows were to continue and cross the midpoint to the downside and continue on the 15-minute, the next support level below that would then be the 45-cent area, and then comes all the way down towards the 40-cent area. Those are critical support levels right now within the charts. And if 40 cents gets broken through, we'll have to reanalyze and see what's going on there and how significant these outflows are to the downside. And if that happens in the process, I'll be watching if this bull indicator gets canceled by a bear indicator, okay? Something to not ignore and miss here within the volatility as these outflows were to begin and continue on the 15-minute and 30-minute. Now, to the upside, it is going to be crucial for these inflows to stop being red, and if they pull downwards to level off above the midpoint there and push back up and switch from red to green and start reflecting that strength into the charts, hold these bull indicators strong here on the 30-minute and the 1 hour, and in the process, bring itself back up with these inflows on the 15-minute, cancel out this bear indicator, and get a bull indicator in the process as well. And the first resistance is going to be 60 cents, guys. That is a critical area of resistance here. Multiple rejections, as I stated earlier in the video, between 57 and 60 cent area. And it's going to be crucial for the bulls to break through that. If they accomplish that, the next resistance is the 67 cent area. And then the next level above that I would watch is the 75 cent area, guys. Those are the critical levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside. These inflow versus outflows are going to be crucial as they're still above the midpoint on lower time frames like the 15-minute and the 30-minute. And also the 1 hour has crossed on Friday and it's still under that bull indicator, creating this staircase effect still. If the bulls can reappear and continue to retest those resistance and push higher and have these inflows push up higher here, and based off the history of the chart, it has room to go higher. Now, it's not guaranteed to, but it is something I would not overlook and miss. And those bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow will be crucial with those supports and resistance. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.